In this video, learn how to adjust ready-to-use Canva template for an Amazon listing for a jewelry product. First, set up correct filters on the page, which will show Amazon listing and Canva templates. This will help you find templates that match your specific requirements. From the available options, choose the one you like the most and add it to your cart. Proceed with checkout to receive a link to the template. Click Use Template for new design to start customizing it for your goals. All elements you see in the image are customizable. Let's start by adding our new product photos into Canva. They will appear in the Upload section. Simply drag and drop the desired photo onto the place of the default photo, and it will be automatically replaced. There is no strict algorithm for adjusting a Canva template, so just follow your preferences and visual goals. In our case, we will proceed by changing the text next. To do this, double-click on the title and paste a title that corresponds to the product. We will then reduce the size of the product image so it isn't covered by the title. Similarly, we'll change the subtitle on the image in the same way. It's very useful to drag the text layer border to adjust the text and make it look perfect for you. Next, let's change the product image. Simply drag your product photo onto the default product's place, and it will be automatically inserted. Dragging the borders allows you to hide any unwanted parts of the image. Since this product image has a background, we'll use the background remover feature in Canva. Adjusting frames helps keep elements easily accessible. Drag the corners to increase the size of the product and position it in place of the default product. In our case, we copied and pasted the product to create a composition of the entire set. To position products one behind another, select the desired product and click Position, then choose Backward. A quick reminder, you can find the link to this templates in the description below this video. Click it, download, and customize it for your own product. To add shadows to the product, click on the product, open the Elements section, and type Shadow in the search bar. Choose the most suitable shadow from the list and place it under the product. Make sure to position it behind the product using the Position and Backward buttons. Change the opacity of the shadow to make it look more accurate. Let's quickly repeat this action for the second product and then we'll move on. But if you want to have a unique Amazon listing, just visit MySpaceStudio.com to get professional Amazon graphic design services. From Amazon listing design to Amazon storefront development, we design so your Amazon product will leave no chance for competitors. For all new clients, a free trial is available. Let's proceed with the Canva template and change the colors. To do this, select the shape on the image and click on the colorful circle at the top. From here, you can choose a suggested color palette or click on the plus icon to set up your own preferred color. Both options work perfectly, allowing you to find the color that suits your brand best. Besides changing the text, you can also set up a new font style. To do this, select the text layer and click on the font name. Icon placeholders indicate where you can add your own badges or icons to maintain the balance of the design. However, if you don't have any, it's completely fine to delete unnecessary design elements. After all, this image is yours now, and you can customize it however you like. To enlarge the photo in the background, simply double-click on it and drag the corners. For this design, we'd like to replace the playful design element with something more solid and professional. To do this, remove the message bubble, duplicate the text layer from the bottom, and create a feedback text with a symbolic quotes icon. This simple trick will help build trust with potential buyers and add extra value to the product. Now our image is complete and ready to be uploaded to your Amazon product page to start generating sales. When you download our templates and adjust them to your product, you own all rights to the image and can upload it directly to Amazon. To download image from Canva, click the Share button in the top right corner, then click the Download button. The final size is already optimized for Amazon, so simply select PNG for the highest quality and click Download. Find this and many other Canva templates for Amazon via the link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.